What's up, fellas? My name is Ashmit from Techy. Today we are gonna learn how to create apps via MIT App Inventor utility. So without any charges, that is, it will be completely free. So without wasting any time, let's spread technology. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna just go to the website I have linked down in the description below, and then you will be greeted with this screen after you have signed up or logged in with your Google account. So after you have logged in with your Google account, you can create many applications using this. So first of all, what you're gonna do is click on start new project over here. After clicking this, we will be prompted to enter the name. So very first thing I'm gonna tell you is that we are gonna build a web app. What a web app is that it is basically a website which is ported into a native app. Okay, so what we're gonna do is convert team trees application to team trees website to an application. So we will enter the team trees name of our project name, then click on OK. After that, screen will appear. Wait a moment. Okay, so this is a screen 1, which is basically the first screen we will be created when we start our application. Okay, so there are two options you can go with now. The first one is that you want a starter screen which tells you to start the website, and the second option is just simply go into the website. So what I'm going to do now is going with starter screen, so that you can learn it both the ways. If you don't want to do starter screen, you can skip to the time frame I'm showing on your screen. So yeah, let's start now. We will first off start with giving this screen some background color. Here you can see background color is default, which is white. I wanted to have green because it is associated with trees, right? I can also select a custom color, and I think I like this dark green better. And the second thing we are gonna do is uncheck this title visible button over here. It will hide the title name of your screen. And then the last thing I'm gonna do is change the sizing from fixed to responsive, so that it can appear in any website, any device, irrespective of their width and height. So now we can pretty much add anything over here. We can add an image, we can upload the image from here, upload file, and yeah, that's pretty much about it. We can also delete some components. So for now I'm gonna add a label. Label is basically a fixed text which you can't change, and you can edit this value from the text property. So team trees. Alright, now I want this to be in the center of the screen. We will go to the screen 1, and then we will change the alignment to center. Then we will select the label, and then we can just pretty much alter it to our needs. I want the size to be like 30 or more. We will go with 50 for now, right? And the background color doesn't matter much, and the text color white, I guess. Yep, white looks just about fine. Now we can add a button which says start in the text option. We can change its width, its height, and pretty much else. So I choose fill parent as its width, so it spreads across the screen like that. We can also change the font type to bold or italic. it's completely up to you, and we can also change the font size like that, or yeah, that seems good. And then we can also change the shape of the button, which default is this rectangular is the default. I don't know why they have added another option for that. Rounded is this with the rounded edges over here, and then where is it? Okay, oval, which is pretty much not that good to your eyes, so I will go with rounded because it looks neat and nice. We can also change the background color of the button to magenta or any other color like that, a custom like that. We can change the brightness of the color, something like that, and done. Right, so what we are gonna do is now we are gonna pair this to, if the person clicks on start, it is gonna bring up another screen for the user. How we will do this is, first of all, create a new screen via add screen. Screen name would be website, and then press OK, and then shortly after, your new screen will be created. Yep, as you can see, a website screen has been created. Now let's go back to screen 1, go to blocks, and then we will go to button 1, which is what we have to press. So when button 1 click, what we are gonna do is we have to search in control with the value open another screen name. So now we have another blank block. We will add the screen name via this block, and then the screen name is website, and let's enter. So that is basically the coding for a button to open another screen. And then let's move on to the second screen, which is website, and then we can also change its alignment, etc., and background color, yep, like that. So screen orientation, etc. So now what we're gonna do is add a web viewer, which basically is what we call a website viewer, and we will change its height to fill parent and width to fill parent. And now we have to insert the home URL, which is the URL of the website you want to show. https://teamtrees.org. So press enter and it is done. Nothing else. No coding experience required. It is basically just placing things and then writing values, etc. Okay, I also need to uncheck this so it looks much neater. Oh wait, yep. Now this is basically our website. So what? There are no blocks behind this screen. So when we open our website, we will just be greeted with this screen. When we click on start, it will take us to this screen, which will then eventually load teamtrees.org. So now if you want to test this app in development, you can go to connect, and there are pretty much options. You can see tutorials on their website on how to connect them. I will not go for them because this will make the video much longer and just completely blank. So now let's move up to the point. I want this app is now completely finished. Now I want to build it into an APK. There are two options: provide QR code or just simply save. Save APK to my computer just downloads the APK file to your computer. Then you have to manually send it to your Android device. And QR code is like the screen will show a QR code after compiling your app into an APK, and then when you scan this QR code, you will be taken to a website where you can download this APK for your app. So let's go for this now. It will slowly now start compiling your web application into APK file. So now after that the compilation has been done, what you can do is that you can just simply scan the QR code. Let me just scan it on my phone, and then I will just show you the screen recording of what I have within my phone. Alright guys, now I'm on my Android device and the team trees icon has been created on my home screen. Let's go and boot this application up and see what happens. Now as you can see, it takes little to no time in starting the application. It is quick as hell. Now we have the same interface we created on our computer. It says team trees on the very top and then a button which says start. Let's go and click on start now, and then it will just redirect us to the website of team trees. That's that simple as that. And you can do whatever you want, go and donate to team trees, etc., and you can view the like that. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching guys. If you learned something new from this video, feel free to leave a like, subscribe to Techy Pizza for more information and more videos like that. Comment down below how you feel about this video and share it with your family and friends who also struggle to make Android applications. So this was about that. Go and donate to teamtrees.org. Save the planet. That's what I want to say like for now. And this was Ashmit Singh from Techy Pizza signing off.